Learning how to use Power Pivot and learning how to do stuff with macros was definitely the win that I got. I really like the fact that I can see that we're making improvements and I can see things that I can show other people how to do. My name is Tracy Berman-Kagan. I am located within Washington, D.C. I work for Gallaudet University, which is the University for the Deaf and Hard of Hearing. In D.C., I am the controller here. Everything that we did was in Excel, and the Excel spreadsheets were old and clunky and had a million tabs in them. And every month when we went to go do stuff with it, it was always there has to be a better way of doing this. There has to be a more effective way of doing this. There has to be a formula or something that we don't know about. Where I really saw a huge benefit was towards the end of the undergraduate program and through the master's program, where I learned a lot more with Power Pivot and VBA and doing things with macros, the real stuff that I had never learned before. It definitely is better than the free resources. First of all, there's just so much information in Excel that it's very, very difficult to learn from a free 1 hour session. Excel University was very, very responsive to my emails. I also think that Excel University as a whole has a whole lot of information that's available on the website, past articles, other examples. It was very example heavy and very kind of hands-on. And out of all of the CPE offerings that I have taken, this has probably been the most useful that I've done. When we first went to working remotely during COVID, we were struggling with the concept of saving our Excel files to a PDF format. And so I created a macro that basically, it opens up an Excel workbook. It formats all of the tabs that are visible to the right page layout so that it prints on the one page, the 1 page wide and however many pages tall. It selects all of them, it saves it to a PDF, the whole thing together, and then it closes the work. And so just the act of being able to do that and not physically opening up an Excel workbook, making sure that everything's formatted correctly, and then, saving all of the pages to PDF was a huge time saver. I have recommended it to coworkers and colleagues and just people that I've interacted with. I think that it's really good for people who have a sound use of Excel, who are using it regularly, who are familiar with the basics, but who basically are feeling like there's got to be a better way of doing things. There's got to be a better format or a better formula or something that allows things to work better.